Hey guys, how's it going? How to get a promo deals in booking.com, right? And by typing booking.com, booking a promo code 2024, you're gonna get the discounts right here. And I prefer that you go to the official website and see their latest promo codes. And here you're gonna see 10% off, right? And you're gonna see that this website is trusted by a lot of people, so you can just go ahead and scroll and see the 50% or 20% deal on booking.com, right? And here it says 50% off vacation home rentals with booking.com promo code, and you're gonna see a lot of codes from there, right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.